Here's another video on the dirty tricks that uniform rental companies play on you. It's called the incompetence scam. And so this is where the uniform rental company will try to induce you to sign a contract. And once you do, they'll say, for instance, we're going to press your shirts. We're going to give them a nice ironing. And then what they'll do is they don't do that. They'll actually send them through the tunnel. And so you're going to be wondering the first and second week why your uniforms are not getting pressed, why they're not looking crisp. Well, that's because they're sending them through the tunnel and they're not pressing them. The other things this happens with is something like napkins or tablecloths. It's going to be not a linen company. It would be just a uniform company, and they're just going to try to take on whatever business they can when they don't even actually have the equipment necessary to process those. Now, whether it's blankets, bed sheets, napkins, tablecloths, those take a special process or a special procedure, a special wash in order to get those things clean. And if your plant is not equipped to handle that, the plant that's going to be servicing you, well, then the items that you have contracted for are not going to be cleaned, serviced, as they should be if you were getting the proper, if they actually were competent enough and had the equipment enough to serve you. So that is called the incompetence scam. So anyways, there's other forms of that, but that's one of the ways they do it with the equipment. They don't have the equipment, they haven't invested in equipment, and they're trying to get you to get a contract with them anyways. So, hey, ask them, can I tour your plant? Let me come down there. I want to take a look at the inside of your plant. Ask them, well, where are you guys processing my merchandise at? Can I see the washer that's going in? Can I see the dryer that's going in? Can I see where it's going to be ironed at? Can I see your shirt presser? And can I see your tunnel? Ask questions like that, especially if you're a bigger account. If you need help doing that, that's what I do. I can investigate all that information for you, and we can go from there. So my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. Like, share, subscribe. I help business owners. Send me your contract, send me a copy of your invoice, and the first call is always free. Talk later, guys.